chess friends. In October I played in 2 tournaments, and the one that is finished today is here in Djenovici, Montenegro. It's called Third Saturday. I scored 5.5 points. I didn't get an international master norm, but it was enough for me to reach 2300 with my rating, and on the next month I can be a FIDE Master.
Hi, Mr. Lyell. So this is Mr. Lyell. He is a FIDE Master from England. So what do you think about the tournament in general?
Well, the tournament is played in very nice conditions. It's in a very nice town of
Djenovici.
Djenovici, yeah. And we've got sunny weather here, and you can go swimming in the middle of October. So that's very nice. The tournament hall has a view of the Bay of Kotor, and it's a beautiful part of the country of Montenegro.
How do you like your results in this tournament?
Oh, my results have been a bit up and down. I've had 3 losses and 2 wins, but I'm not too bothered about that. I'm happy to play interesting chess if I can.
Okay, thank you. Okay, how do you like the tournament? What can you say about the accommodation and strength of this tournament?
Yes, this third Saturday tournament is very strong, and I like playing here. It's a nice tournament, nice venue, and it's very beautiful in Djenovici, so it's nice to play here.
Thank you.
It's difficult because I'm the lowest rated player in this tournament, but I try to play the best game, not to win, but play a good game.
How did you like the accommodation in this hotel and the tournament hall in general?
Yes, it's good. We can see the sea right over here when we look outside.
Okay, thank you.
Hello my chess friends, this is Victor Neustroev and FIDE Master Goran Tomic. Goran is an international chess organizer from Montenegro. We are in Djenovici. I was participating in a chess tournament here, and Goran is the organizer. Goran, can you please tell more details about your tournament third Saturday?
Those tournaments third Saturday are held from 27 from three season till now. It's the third season, and on this tournament played several famous players like Mr. Glazerov, Grandmaster Kotronias, Grandmaster Djenovici, etc. And aim of this tournament is to allow some players to achieve GM or IM norm, but it is not so easy. It's very hard. So on two tournaments, about one player can achieve GM or IM norm.
Okay, I see. And you conduct this tournament every month, every third Saturday of the month?
Yes, yes. Those tournaments are linked with the first Saturday tournament of Mr. Lasonagi, and some players who play on his tournament can come here, and it's very often. So we are in very good relation, Mr. Lasso and me.
Okay. And what should a player do to be able to participate in such a tournament?
On this tournament, I must achieve average rating, and I must invite 3 GM players for GM tournament or 3 IM players for IM tournament, and take care about each player, and I must take care about players when will they come and transfer from the airport, and their accommodation and everything.
Yeah, I'm just looking from the position of an ordinary player. For example, there is a chess player who wants to achieve a norm. He has a rating of 2200 and he wants to play. What his steps should be?
Yes, he will ask, he will send me message on WhatsApp or email or Viber, and ask is there a place for that tournament, because I planned those tournaments several months earlier. So if there is a place, I will tell him it was his rating okay for the tournament. And the player, there is entry fee for players, because I must pay Grandmaster and their accommodation or international masters, and from entry fee I could pay that. So those tournaments are not profitable, but only to allow young players to achieve something if they can and with their talent.
And for you as an organizer, so what do you get from this business?
Nothing. I love chess and love to be with my friend chess players, and so it's the reason, because on each tournament there are several players who don't pay entry fee. There are local players.
Yeah, who are invited.
Yes, not invited. There are invited players which I pay their entrance fee to come, and their honorary. Yes, but there are several players which don't pay anything on those tournaments. Local players from Montenegro and Serbia or Bosnia. So I want to help them to achieve if they can. Oh, about 1 or 2 players on each tournament. I want to help them. So, but so it is not for my budget good, but
Okay, I see. Okay, anyway, thank you for inviting me, and it was really good to play here. This is a really nice place, and I really enjoyed this time.
Yes, I hope you will come again.
Yes, I will.
Okay, thank you.